At Carepatron, we are constantly looking at ways to improve. If you have any feedback on how we can improve our videos and resources, please leave us a comment in the comment section below. Vital Signs Sheet is a crucial tool used by healthcare providers to monitor and record a patient's vital signs over time. These include key indicators like respiration rate, heart rate, and body temperature, which are essential in assessing a patient's health. Trained doctors and nurses use these sheets to observe trends and identify potential health issues early on. Connected to this is the concept of a vital signs chart. This chart outlines the normal ranges for vital signs such as heart rate, respiratory rate, blood pressure, and body temperature. Categorized by factors like age, gender, and health status, the chart serves as a comprehensive resource for healthcare professionals, allowing them to systematically track and compare a patient's vital signs. Together, these tools are indispensable in detecting abnormalities, monitoring health conditions, and evaluating treatment effectiveness, especially in critical situations. Here are the steps to use our vital signs sheet and vital signs chart. Firstly, record patient information. Enter the patient's name, gender, and date of birth on the vital signs record for accurate identification. Measure vital signs. Document the date, time, and method of each vital sign measurement using the provided checkboxes. Record heart rate, respiratory rate, blood pressure, and body temperature. Refer to the vital signs chart. Consult the chart of normal vital signs to analyze the patient's measurements. Add notes and validate. Include any relevant remarks and have professionals sign and date the record to confirm accuracy. Vital signs sheet steps. Fill in the template each time you measure a patient's vital signs such as blood pressure and double check for accuracy. Review previous entries to spot any significant changes in the patient's vital signs which may require further testing. Store the completed vital signs sheet either in a physical location with security measures or in a HIPAA-compliant online platform like Carepatron. Here is a sample of our vital signs sheet and vital signs chart to give you an idea of how you would use it in your practice. To discover more of our free templates, explore our templates library, which you can find on our Carepatron website linked in the description below. Carepatron is a practice management software known for its comprehensive features. Signing up is free, just click on the sign up link in the description. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to press the like and subscribe button for more content like this.